Hello YouTube. I'm doing this new series where I open one packet of these bad boys a week. And at the moment, whilst I'm about to open these packs, the West Ham Malaga game is on. It's 2-0 Malaga now. But we saved a penalty. Yeah, I don't really help, but let's get into the packet this week. See, I have one packet of unopened match attacks. Opening the pack. I've got Ambrose, Peralta, Asamoah, Kevin Prince Boateng, Jerome Boateng. I need to restart it now. Wait, I can't restart it. Oh, come on. Sorry. Shiny Quadrado. Ah, yes! Man of the match! Vidal! I wanted him. Ibisevic. Mertens. Got an England midfielder. Tom Cleverley. And the Ecuadorian manager, Ruida. That's the packet for this week. But, hope you like the idea of this series. I'm going to be showing you now the top 5 players. I'm going to show you these 10 players from ratings bad to good. Number 10, Ruida, he's a manager. Then it will be Ibisevic. Then I'd say it would be Peralta. Then Ambrose. Then Asamoah. Then Mertens. Then Cleverley. Then Boateng. Then Quadrado, whoever he is. And last but not least, Vidal. That's it for this video, guys. See you when you're older. And have a nice day. Sorry for the mistakes again. Goodbye.